Do you want to make your scenes changes more dynamic and eye-catching? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add spin transition in CapCut Mobile. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. For the step number 1, open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select at least 2 video clips or photos that you want to connect. Then tap Add to import them into the timeline. On the timeline, locate the small white transition icon between the 2 clips and tap it. Browse through the available transition categories, and you can search for spin. Explore for the transition until you find the one that you like. Tap spin to preview the effect, and you will see the first clip rotate smoothly into the next. You can also make adjustments to its speed by just pressing the adjust button and slide the speed slider. When you're satisfied with the preview, tap the check mark to apply the transition. And now, play your video to preview the finished transition before exporting. And that's how you add spin transition in CapCut Mobile. Keep spinning, keep creating. Thanks for watching and happy editing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.